Crypto Underground is back with a new discovery, guys. Monova. This is a new coin that I have discovered that is right now in the pre-market phase. It is the first AI agent on the ecosystem of Monad, and we're gonna have a look into that, guys, because this is very, very interesting. The current price of the pre-market phase is this one over here, and the listing price will be like 10 times more. So we're gonna have a look into that, guys. I'm very excited about this new coin, and I'm of course definitely going to invest into this one, since I believe that here we have also a good coin to invest right now. I am buying this new Monova coin. The ticker is a Mono, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to invest into this one, and also how this coin is basically built off, because this is a completely new ecosystem. And this is the first AI agent on Monad, this new ecosystem. And this is a live product, not just a concept. So this is what I like very much about this one. If you click the link in the video description right at the top, you get to the official website, guys. And in order to use the AI agent, you must have at least this amount of Mono coins, or of course their own NFT, I think an NFT collection or something they're gonna have in the future, but as you can see here, but it's easier just to get those coins, of course. And this one here, Monad, raised over 225 millions from top VCs like Paradigm, Dragonfly, and the hype is building up quite fast. You can also follow their social media platforms over on X, for example. Almost 2,000 people already joined here. Just click here, follow. And of course also on Discord here, the community is growing more and more. You can check out the social media platforms through the links here on their website. So be early before the Monad airdrop season kicks off as well, because here they are going to offer also some airdrops for all the early investors. And also if you have a look into the roadmap, you can see that this one here just has started. So it is of course cool to buy into those coins before all the airdrops and all the big hype around it, of course, is starting. So this is another AI agents, and you feel it, guys. The AI agents are back. So this is really something that I believe will be good for the future as well. All those AI agents, we need those, of course. Everything is going to be on AI in the future. And also Monova is combining basically AI and also a layer one narrative. So here you are basically really investing into a completely new ecosystem since the beginning. And also based on the tokenomics, you can see that most of the coins are basically distributed into the early contributors. That means all the people like me that are buying into this new coin before it is launching, of course. And this is the first ever pre-market coin on Monad, on this new ecosystem. The entry price is of course extremely low before DEX, before it goes live on DEXs and later on exchanges as well. You can see that also only 10% is for marketing, 15% rewards. So here, of course, you can also stake the coins. 166% is the staking rewards. In my opinion, it's not that much, but of course, if you're buying for the long term, then 166% is not too bad. And the rest will be for listing and also for development. 30% is reserved for community reserves. I think that this is probably, as it's written here, reserved for future community initiatives, probably also airdrops, governance, and rewards for active users. So if we go here to how to buy, it's very easy and simple, like with everyone, guys. Make sure, first of all, to click the link in the video description to end up on the official website. Then make sure to have a DeFi wallet ready. If you click here, connect wallet, you can choose between Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, and also MetaMask. You need some cryptos on top of your DeFi wallets, of course, in order to invest into those coins. If you want to buy with me, you can use, for example, Maxi Global or Bybit. You get also some extra deposit bonuses if you use my link that is here in the video description to all of those exchanges, as you can see here. And of course, the link to Monova I'm gonna put right at the top. And the start price was a bit lower than this. I have seen in the white paper it was 0.0001 per mono, and every 3 days, here is the countdown, the price is increasing by 10% until the listing price, which is this one over here. So this is like, well, from the beginning it was like a 20 times more the price, the listing price from the pre-market phase. Now we are of course at much higher prices, so from here on it's about a 10x from the current price to the listing price. And this one will be operated on Ethereum chain, then OP chain, Base ARB, I think, and BNB as well. The payment methods are here as always: Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and also BNB. And the minimum buy is 200,000 of those mono coins, which I think is okay. And also if you want to use here the AI agent, you need to buy in at least 10,000 mono coins. This is something that we are seeing a lot with those new meme coins and also AI agents, that you need to hold at least a certain amount of coins in order to use their AI agents. What I think it's quite reasonable, also in comparison to ChatGPT or Sora, where you need to pay on a monthly base. Here you just have to hold some coins, and this will of course be also in benefit for the coin itself. The staking API is good, 166% guys, but of course it's not that much like you're getting sometimes with other coins when they are in the early stage phase. But I think if you're anywhere holding those coins for the long term, especially if you're using their AI agents, I think 166% is quite good. And so far they raised over $100,000, I think, as you can see here. No, way more. It's over $1 million now raised. So you can see that this one also is moving quite rapidly. Over $1 million has been raised. This is quite insane. The last time I checked here, it was much less. But now I think also since they passed through the CoinSult audit, everything okay. It's also featured in different websites. I'm definitely also buying into this one here as well. So use the link in the video description, guys. Enter the amount here that you would like to invest in, of course, confirm and claim mono, and stake for optional rewards, of course, if you want. So if you want to be a first mover and basically have the chance to buy into Monad right from the beginning on this Monova coin, then be early, be bold, and be rewarded, of course, with this new coin as well. Of course, no financial advice, guys, just my own opinion. I'm buying into this one here right now, and probably also I'm going to stake this coin, especially since I believe that we are back in a bull run here in the crypto market. I think it's good to hold those coins a bit for the long term and not just for the immediate short term. Alright guys, links in the video description. Make sure to be tuned in every day, guys. Our community is rising, over 40 subscribers already. Thank you very much for your great support, guys. Probably we are going to do some giveaways or special events whenever we are reaching a milestone. We have a nice crypto family here. Make sure to check out the best exchanges that I'm also using here in the video description, and of course upcoming new crypto projects that I'm buying up right now. Check it out, guys, and also follow me in the other social media platforms, X and Telegram. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Crypto Underground over for now.